Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video, and you can see from the case it is a Glock. So today we're going to be unboxing a Glock 45 MOS standard case. As you can see right here, it is a 17 round Glock 45. When you unbox it, you have your different plates here. This is a MOS model. It comes with 5 different plates. So you have the factory one on here for no red dot sight, and then you have one that's for EOTech, I think Doctor, and then Insight red dots. One is for Trigicon, one is for Leupold, and the other I believe is for Seymour. It also comes with the required tools. So for the Glock 45, if you've never heard about it before, it's basically a combination of 2 models. So it has the Glock 19 slide with a Glock 17 frame, which is why you can have up to 17 rounds, as you can see right here. However, this is pinned to 10 in my state. So 3 magazines, your typical speed loader. Up here, you have your cleaning rod and your brush. Here you have your back straps that can fit over here. All of them come with a safety lock and looks like some paperwork in here. But digging into the guts of the gun, so here you can see that there's actually night sights. So these will glow green in your rear and your front sight posts. Gun is clear, pretty standard. Here's your safety right here, this little bit. As you can see, I'm pulling, nothing's happening, but as soon as my trigger goes over, I can get to that wall, and there's a trigger. So some big differences about the Gen 5s is that most of them have this front serration up here, and it's also kind of not as square in the front of the slide. It's a little more rounded off. This is also, as I said earlier, a MOS capability, so you can put a modular optic system, which stands for a modular optic system, and you can put a red dot sight on here if you wanted to. But the main reason I switched from my Glock 19 to the 45 is that, one, I wanted to have the MOS capability. In the case that I didn't like the gun, these typically have a better resale value and will sell faster as well. And additionally, on my Glock 19, it was fine as just a regular handgun, but once I started doing some holster work with it, the problem was that my pinky would kind of be half off, and when it came to doing some holster work and drawing from the holster, I could never get a consistent grip. But as you can see, and when I get my high pistol grip and placement, there's more than enough space for my meaty hands. But I've shot this before already. Really great gun, super awesome. One recommendation I would always suggest is to swap out this, I believe this is a slide lock. As you can see from here, when you take it apart, first you're going to depress the trigger. Firearm's clear, depress the trigger, hold down on the slide lock or this piece right here, pull back ever so slightly, and then your gun's going to be able to come apart. Obviously I've done this many times, so it's a little bit easier, but I prefer to have the larger slide lock piece just because it makes gripping it a little easier, especially if you don't have nails. But breakdown is pretty much the same. Here's your guide rod, and then you can take out your barrel once the guide rod is removed. When you're putting your firearm back together, make sure you get that alignment up front. Oh. So go like that. That should work. Oh. Pull it all the way back. Now do your functions check. With the safety on, not depressed, pull the trigger, nothing should happen. Dry fire it, rack it back, let the trigger reset, pull the trigger again with the safety not depressed, and everything's good to go. But thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.